Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I protected this 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia with a Starline Pro. So a thief clones the key, tries to steal the vehicle, it's not going to start up. As you can see, it's not starting. For the customer to drive this, what they've got to do, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, go through a push sequence they choose. Hear a melody, foot on the brake, they can start the car and drive it. If they're not a fan of push sequences, they can use a phone. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on here. They can have their phone locked and in their pocket. And all they've got to do now, hop in the vehicle, start it up. Hear a melody, they can drive it. No need for a PIN code. If they're taking it for a service, want to take it back to Alfa Romeo, go into the app, press and hold, go from green to yellow. Let go, 2 bleeps. It's a normal car. No code, no phone. When you get it back, press and hold again, back to green. On this system, the customer can choose a PIN code they want between 3 and 21 presses. It's totally up to them. If you want to get one of these fitted, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.